First, let's get this set up right because, child, this should be fine. So, look, let's just do a quick little rundown. Y'all, oh my God, I had a baby. I have a child. What? He is 1 year old, y'all. But anyway, let's talk about why I'm here. I wanted to share with you guys my journey. Now, this is a very vulnerable thing to do because I know that in this day and age, it's like, don't tell everybody what you're doing next. Don't tell everybody your next move. But how can we say that on this side, but on this side say what's for me is for me? What God has for me is for me. What God has for me, no man can take it away. And why wouldn't I want to share my journey with someone if it can help them as well? You know? So let's do it, okay? When I was pregnant, I was considered a high-risk pregnancy. It's simply because I'm overweight, still thick, okay? Because I'm overweight, they consider it high risk. And so I was in that doctor's office all the time. Not because anything was wrong with me or the baby, but because they want to monitor. They want to monitor. So I was in there so much that I began to grow a fascination for the ultrasound ladies, okay? And it just piqued my interest. I started asking them, like, how long have you been doing it? Like, what made you get into it? And it just made me raise my eyebrows, like, let me look into that. So we do have a community college where I'm from in my city, and they offer a 2-year sonography program. I'm trying not to make this video too long. Please remember that just because you take up sonography does not mean you're gonna be with the mommies. Everybody wants the mommies and the babies, but there are other aspects or other lanes to go down. You know, you might be just helping anyone with internal issues. You might be helping children. You might, like, it's a few different pathways there. But anyways, of course, I want to be with the mommies and the babies. So yeah, that's what got me interested in it. So I have a Bachelor of Arts in Business Administration. That has nothing to do with sonography. And so apparently too, I guess because it's a Bachelor of Arts, there are some science classes that I'm missing. So before I can even apply for the program, I have to take pre-cal, which I'm currently in, an 8-week class, just gonna knock it out, even though math was not my strong suit. But right now I'm doing really good. I got a 98 in the class so far. Pre-cal, and I have to take anatomy and physiology. And then I think that's it for my classes at the school. I have to take the nurse aid 1. So right now I am taking a CNA course, right? Through the same community college. And it was a 12-week course that I signed up for. 4 hours a day for 4 days a week. And right now we're currently in clinicals, and I cannot wait to make a video about that as well. But pretty much, yeah, I think now with the healthcare field, they've made it so that everybody has to take the nurse aid 1 course. I have to take that, finish my classes, and then take the TEAS exam. Then, after all of that, I can apply for the sonography program, which applications don't open until next spring, child. So here's the thing. If I can't apply until next spring, and Lord willing, I even make it in, what if God is like, nope? Okay. Anyway, but let's say I apply in the spring, I wouldn't be accepted till later. It wouldn't start until fall of next year, fall 2026. Then it's a 2-year program, baby. So it's looking like fall 2028 I would complete it. It probably wouldn't even begin for real until spring 2029. Talk about a 5-year plan. This is just a long little 3-year plan. All I can do is take it day by day, take it step by step. When I tell y'all prayer, meditation, eating right, friends and family, and going outside and spending time with my baby have been my saving grace. Because I could really lose my mind. I could really lose my mind, especially since clinical started. Oh my gosh. So I just wanted to share that with you. Like I said, this is going to be a vulnerable ride. I'm going to be open to the conversations, whatever y'all want to talk about. But I'm here for, I get hundreds on my test, okay? I'm not trying to get out of there with a, oh, I got an 80, I passed. That's fine, but let's aim for the stars, okay? Let's aim higher. So I get hundreds on my test, and if you want to know how, let's talk about course tips, study tips. Now, I am nervous about that state exam because the way they ask stuff on the state exams, or the state practice exams, I can say, I don't be getting those questions right. I be thinking too hard. But we'll talk about that later as well. So yeah, if y'all want to talk about clinicals, what to expect in the facilities, you want to talk about it all, let's just talk about it. It's so much. But yes, if you want to follow me on this journey, go ahead, buckle up, settle in for the ride, because we got 3 years. 3 years to lock in, okay? So I'll talk to y'all soon.